Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, January 30th, 2019. Well, check out this chart of the spiders intraday. And again, this is today's action here, 10-minute chart, yesterday, the day before, and so forth going back. What I want to show you here is how cool the charts are. And again, this blows your mind and it blows my mind on a daily basis. So if you want to know why the market topped out here, I mean, it kind of arbitrary, right? Here was the gap fill. We went above gap fill, so that's not a level. So why the heck did the market top there and have a little bit of a pullback going into the Fed decision at 2 p.m.? I'm going to show you exactly why. It's so simple. As I say, a caveman can do it. All you need to do is connect the recent highs. Look at that. Pivot to pivot to pivot to pivot. And there you have the high of the day. Isn't that cool? This is an important level, but more on the daily chart. I'll erase it now. Now, the other thing I want to show you, which is so cool as well, look at this. So you have an upsloping trend line here, and then look at this. All right, and this is how you knew the market, basically which direction it was going to go once the gap occurred today. All you need to do is basically, actually, you can even do that from this area right here. Just put that trend line in right there. So you had a triangle pattern, basically starting from the gap down a couple days ago, from Monday. You basically hammered the low end, you went to the high end, you went to the low end, you went to the high end, low end, and then basically you were coming to a head here. And I said this to the members yesterday in the daily analysis video, is that whichever way the market opens, that's going to be the direction you're going to go. So you can see here you gapped up, you had a small retrace, and then you went directionally that way until you hit this little short-term target. And again, this is just the charts, and this is just a simple triangle pattern, but the market just abides by it. It's beautiful how psychology and algorithms are all pegged to this, and it just works over and over again. And again, we'll see what the Fed decision is, but right now the market has hit short-term resistance, and we'll see again what happens. My guess is when we go to the Federal Reserve, which will be out in 25 minutes here, they're going to do their best to calm the markets, to make the markets feel good. But the markets want to hear about a reduction in the amount of bonds that are being sold by the Federal Reserve as they unload their balance sheet. And if there's no kind of cue on that, I think the market wants specifics. The markets will be a little bit unnerved. Now, if we do get that information and it's what the market wants to hear, then you could go a little bit higher on the S&P today, no doubt about it. Okay? Other than that, that's really what I wanted to show you. I just think it's so cool how the charts hit the high pivot level today, and again, the triangular pattern that we were trading in so accurately yesterday. Again, think about yesterday, right? It was a choppy day, right? But there was a method to the madness of yesterday's trading. I mean, there really was, and I think that's just so cool to watch. So in any case, folks, again, this is the kind of stuff we look for in the charts. This is why we are so successful in what we do, why we make so much money with our members, is because we look for these things in the charts. Most average analysts out there, they're going to be like all about hype and listening to this and that. It's all BS. Frankly, it's BS. You look at the charts tell you the directional move. We had another winning day trade today in the chat room. We continue our 100% success rate there, as in the research center as well. We haven't had a loss this year yet, although we do have a bunch of open positions, but most of them are in the money, and we'll see again where they all play out. But have a great day. Let's see what the Fed does. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial to the research center for swing trades. Day trading chat is obviously day trading, and options are options. Take care.